This is for... Ay, sige, tuloy-tuloy na natin ang questions ni Mikey Viñas naman of Kapamilya Vines. Okay. For Rain, do you have plans to join pageants again?
Yes, of course. I'm really young, fairly young, 21. So, for pageant age, it's still really young po. So, of course, I would. Pero, I remember I joined pageants during the pandemic. So, parang, now that I'm back in the showbiz industry, I'd like to focus muna on what I have now po, lalo na when we have love at first bite laughs. So, syempre, I want to focus muna and of course, create good relationships within this industry before coming back again. This is a really big process, alam po natin yan. I really want to represent the Philippines, pero pag buo na, pag kaya, kapag laban na naman po. And I know I can't do that yet, so maybe next year. Maybe
She will. So last time, di ba, second runner-up ka na ba?
Yes.
Oo, so, konti na lang. Tsaka di ba marami meeting queens na gano'n, yung hindi naman talaga first try, pack agad.
Opo. Kasi I remember I was 19 that time, so it was big for me at 19 years old. Pero for those watching, hindi siya imposible gawin.
Yes.
Even though may mga kasabay ka mga lawyers and doctors and those who are already experienced in life and much more wiser, hindi po talaga, it's not all about that, of course. So, ayun, try po. Not only me, I hope there's lots of girls out there na mas may courage na po sumali kasi it's not all about that. It's really much more within your purpose. Ayun po.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay, ngayon naman for Argel. Pinag-uusapan ngayon ang Some Night.
Tama na, you really were that person and I love that about her kasi when we're an actor and actress, talagang kailangan maramdaman mo para totoo and I love that about her. I hope I can meet her one day. I did meet her na pala, but I hope I can work with her. Because I remember the first time I met her, I was like, thank you po, like, you're the reason why I want to be an artista. Po. And yeah, I hope I can. One day.
Alright. Jody for Rain. Dylan.
Ako naman po si Kuya DJ, Daniel Padilla. Siya po talaga din yung idol ko. Kung si Rain, si Miss Jody yung reason niya, ako si DJ talaga. Si Kuya DJ. Gumagawa pa akong edit sa TikTok dati yung, alam yung nakalagay doon na, show you and your dream job. Mga gano'n. Tapos nilalabas ko yung mga posters ng movies niya, teleserye niya. Katniel. So,
hanapin niya ng mga fans mo mamaya. Yung ginawa ko.
Makikita nila mga 2021 na tayo. Oo, 2021.
Anong role ni DJ yung pinakatumatak sa'yo? Ano yung gusto mo sa kanya?
Yung movie nila, yung The House of Us. Yung...
Bigat!
Yung scene nila doon na, yung... Pagod ka na ba? Diba, parang naiyak ako ngayon.
Sige nga, lights, camera,
ako!
Isa pa.
Eh? Naiyak na ako.
So, ganun mga roles ang gusto mo?
Oo nga, ganun.
Oo, hindi yung, kasi may DJ na nagpapakilig, di ba? Pero yung House of Us, ibang DJ din
Malalim.
yun. Oo, malalim. Ganun yung mga gusto
Ganun
mo.
po gusto ko.
Okay, so may Jody tayo, may Daniel Padilla tayo, Argel.
Ako si Kuya Gerald. Hindi, kasi lagi ko siya nakaka-basketball, so curious ako kung paano naman sa work. Ayun. Sana.
May message ko ba kay Gerald Anderson? Ngayon sinabi mo yan, na idol mo pala siya?
Idol ko yan eh. So, baka tulog siya ngayon, pahinga kami.
Ang cute naman. Okay, ikaw, Jazz.
For me, may dalawa ako, Miss Angel Aquino and Miss Isa Calzado. Grabe talaga yung range of acting, the emotions, na mata-matahan lang. Parang while you're watching, you feel every emotion that pinapakita nila. So, someday, I already met Miss Isa Calzado twice or thrice. So that would be a privilege to work with her. But Miss Angel Aquino, not yet. So, kita muna and then, soon. Yeah.
Well, maliit naman ang industriya, no? Mataas yung chance na mamimit nyo rin ang inyong idols. Ito sabi ni Yera Bastina, grabe, 19 lang pala si Ray nung nag-join siya sa pageant.
Yes, ate. Puro lakas ng loob lang ang meron ko talaga. Pero at least, I learned so much. I'd say I really did mature in that sense po talaga. Iba yung discipline ko sa body ko and sa mind ko when I was at that age. Kasi imagine when you're doing a national pageant but you're still finishing high school. So that was really,
Oh my gosh, high
real
school
talk. gusto kang gawin sa buhay. So I hope that you guys can take that as an inspiration. Na you can still do it while studying. Because I'm still studying pa rin ngayon.
Oo nga, ano yung inaaral mo?
I'm studying broadcasting, communication and broadcasting.
Where?
In LPU, Cavite. But yeah.
Malayo.
Okay, malayo.
Lyceum of the Philippines University.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So, pero ano, yung course mo, talagang andito na. Ito na yun.
Yes.
You're doing it na talaga.
Oo, gusto ko po talaga siya gawin.
My course is also broadcast communication.
Yes.
Kaya pwede siya mag-host.
So I appreciate your voiceover kasi it's nice ate. I couldn't even recognize your
Kaya naman
speaking
mo,
voice.
kasi broad ka rin.
Yes.
There you go. Dylan, sa UE, ano yung course mo?
Marketing po.
Marketing. So, ano ba plano mo dapat after?
Mag-artista.
Marketing ka
I-market niyo yung self.
Ay, yung market ko yung sarili ko. Alam mo, ate, ay yung parang naiisip ko dati na hindi ko alam paano, pero alam mo darating ako doon. Yung mga ganun. Oo.
Na-intuition mo na siya, parang gano'n. At the back of your head.
Yes, hindi ko lang siya alam kung kailan siya darating, hindi ko alam kung paano siya mangyayari. Pero alam ko na makakarating ako.
Ganda, ang inspiring nyo kausap, no?
Thank
Parang
you.
ang babata pero yung goals andun na talaga. Tsaka ready kayo i-explore yung iba-iba ninyong mga talents. So that's good. And it's so nice that you're here in Star Magic to share your talents with everyone. Okay, so meron pa po ba tayong questions na gustong itanong from our media friends? Okay, I think we're good. So bago tayo umalis, final messages niyo guys para sa inyong mga fans. Invite them to your projects, to watch your projects, and also of course, Star Magic All-Star Games. Let's start with Rain.
Okay, hello kapamilya. Maraming salamat po for watching this gathering today. We'd love for you to support. Buy the tickets. They're available na po for July 20 next month. And of course, naka-release na po ang aming show, The First Fight, every Friday, 8 p.m. Maraming salamat po. We hope that you can support not only All-Star Games, Labs, but of course, Star Magic in total for everybody who is here. Hey, maraming salamat po, and I'll see you on the next.
Jazz?
Before siguro ako mag-message sa TI, I think this day won't be complete without everyone saying happy birthday to our Ate Ai.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Ate
birthday!
Ai.
Kasi last ako, pero kaya nagulat ako ng shock. So let's all say Ate Ai, very happy birthday.
Handler ko si Ate Edith. Tigtataka ako kasi same din tayo handler.
Same tayo handler.
Oo. Okay lang para sa'yo.
Birthday ko.
Oo, birthday mo pala.
In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
working birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, ate, I'll be your host for today. Would you like to say, would you like to give a message or anything for your birthday?
Okay na, may mic din ako.
Yes.
No, thank you po sa aking Star Magic family. Parang nangyari na to last year. Grabe. Let madala rin kanina. Thank you, Ate Tess. Thank you, Ate Edith. Thank you to my Star Magic family. Maraming salamat po. My birthday wish. Sana masuot out ng Star Magic All-Star Games.
Yes.
More projects for everyone. And syempre, healthy sana tayong matapos ang 2025. Yes, healthy tayo and ang ating loved ones. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday! Thank you! Thank you po!
Okay. Yun na. Kinabahan kasi ako kasabi, ako daw last. Tapos before last message.
So, hindi ko ako sinundan din.
Oh.
Dapat ka.
Okay.
Final message.
Yeah, my final message is thank you to everyone who has been supporting each and every artist. Now, let's just focus on the positivity, and we hope to see everyone on the 20th of July. It's gonna be a day full of fun lang, and yeah, you can see so many artists, not even just playing, like a lot of artists will also watch. So I'm so excited to see you there. Bili na kayo ng tickets, what are you waiting for? Yeah, and see you sa ibang ganap also. Thank you.
Arjan.
Hirap sundan ng mga nagsalita.
Kaya nga, buti na lang ako yung last pare. Buti na lang ako yung last pare.
Pwede ba magpasalamat na lang? Salamat sa inyo, salamat sa mga nanood ngayon, salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa aming lahat. At yung panoorin niyo yung series nila na Love at First Fight. Ayan. All-Star Game ngayong July 20 na. At sa mga nasa Metro Manila, pwede na kayong bumili ng ticket ng Some Nights I Feel Like Walking. Thank you.
Thank you, Ardel. Dylan.
And before po mag-message, gusto lang po i-shoutout na may mga coaches sa All-Star Games sa volleyball. Sila Coach Aing, si Lawrence, si Coach John, si Coach JM. Mga ano yan, yung mga coaches ko yun nung high school sa UST. So ayun, maraming salamat po mga kapamilya sa lahat po na sumubaybay dito sa Star Magic Spotlight. And shoutout din po sa Lab Squad, Team Dylan, and sa prod po namin ng Love at First Fight, kay Emilio, kay Sean. Shoutout sa lahat ng cast.
Hey, thank you. Shoutout na rin natin yung coach natin, baka magtampo. Coach John Abelia, Coach JM, yes, thank you po sa pag-guide sa amin. Abangan niyo po ang Star Magic All-Star Games. Bukod po sa sports, na yun nga, merong 2 volleyball games, may isang basketball game. Inaabangan na lang halftime performance ng, hindi ko pa ata pwede sabihin kung ano. Pero meron pong Beanie. Of course, we're gonna have Beanie. Na-post naman na yung art card, di ba? Na may special guest appearance. Oo. Tapos, pero sobrang special po ng Star Magic All-Star Games ngayon. Level up po talaga. So, sana po punuin natin at makasama po namin kayo. And as they said, bukod sa mga maglalaro, ang dami po, syempre ano yun, family gathering natin, ng mga kapamilya natin sa Star Magic. So marami pong nandun, halos lahat po ng Star Magic artists will be there to support. Makikita niyo po sila. And mag-enjoy lang po tayong lahat doon. So sana po ay get your tickets now sa ticketnet.com.ph. And ngayon lang, this just in, pa-sold out na pala. Yes, so konti na lang po ang tickets. Limited tickets left. So humabol na po kayo. Huwag niyo pong palampasin. Ticketnet.com.ph for the Star Magic All-Star Games 2025 this coming July 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maraming salamat po for joining us sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. Once again, I'm Aida De La Cruz. Thank you so much to our special guests for today, Ray Parani, Jazz Dudley Scales, Archel Saicon, and Dylan Iturralde. Thank you guys! Maraming salamat po!
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Bye! Thank you po!
Chris and actresses. But of course, they can play sports really well, sportsmanship, and of course, yung professionalism po talaga namin and discipline and training for this for 2 months, honestly. And it's gonna be serious play. It's not just gonna be on the camera, pero talagang physical na for ito. So I'm really excited.
Wow.
How about you, Jazz? First time again?
Yeah, it's my first time, and like honestly, I didn't expect na maglalaro ako this year. I was just expecting na, okay, manonood ako, because of course, support natin yung All-Star Game, so manonood ako. But nung naging part ako, sabi ko, okay, I'm just gonna show up, I'm just gonna do my best, and just enjoy the entire ride. So far I'm enjoying, I'm learning a lot from, especially our team captain, Ray. This is so good, and everyone else. So yeah, I just can't wait to see everyone also.
Alright, and how about you, Arzel? I mean, every year na lang, no? Parang may balyahan.
Parang ritual na niya.
Parang may balyahan sa mga, sa basketball game. So,
Ganun talaga siguro pag basketball tsaka yung ego ng lalaki. Kaya doon na nagkakatalo lahat. Pero sports pa rin. Pagkatapos, bati-bati na lang.
pero gano'n ka-excited to see the fans?
Ngayon kasi first time namin makakalaban sila Kong. So pinaghahandaan din namin sila ng mga tao syempre para ma-entertain sila.
Alright, may questions po. Oh, wala naman. Diretso na ako sa, kay Rain and also kay Love at First Fight. Oh, this is your first, no? First lead role. So, what are your thoughts about that?
Of course, it's a really big blessing. Happy Pride Month, everybody. We're super excited to represent the LGBTQIA+ community. They're part of the mainstream, that they could be storytellers as well. And I'm super happy that we're doing this alongside with Emilio and Sean. They're not here today, but I will represent them. Ayun po, Love at First Fight already released the first episode. It's every Friday, 8 p.m. So let's see you.
And also, Dylan, I know this is can you just give us more about your role dito and gaano ka-challenging para sa iyo?
Super challenging dito, lalo na hindi out of words na kung paano siya i-explain dahil nga
I've gone through research or nag-immerse pa ako sa iba't ibang tao, nagtanong ako sa mga tao ng Muslim community, and of course, we studied with Direct Ivan. And ayun, sana nag-translate na lang siya sa set, sa screen.
This is not your first project.
No.
Pang ilang project mo kayo?
I think it's the third time, pero ito yung big acting project.
I want to ask you because every time may mga gumagawa ng mga LGBT role, they kind of like stick there. Medyo doon na sila nagsigod na lagi and nakukuha nila yung mga roles para susunod ganun pa din. So, are you scared of having that role over and over again?
Kung scared, di naman po ako scared. Medyo ano siya eh, parang I will take it as a compliment. Siguro, kung mapaulit-ulit sana yung offer yung gano'n. Dahil feeling ko nagampanan ko siya ng maganda pagkaganon. Effective siya. But ayun, kahit ano naman, basta alam nila na kaya ko and alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko nagampanan ng maganda, hindi lang yung kaya.
Alright, one last Green, can you talk about Love at First Sight? Kung saan kayo?
This is about the LGBTQI plus community. We're all allies here, but at a certain level, all of us are going to be growing at the end of the series. You'll see that with Uno's journey, it'll be centered on his story and how he's anti-ally to an ally po talaga. So I hope that you guys can watch this. It's not only a coming of age series, rom-com, pero may drama po ito, and I love that kasi it's breaking the stereotypes of how we are already shown in ABS. So I hope that a lot of people can open up to this.
Alright, Fridays at 8 p.m. Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, sige.
Hawakan ba?
Pwede ko ito ba? Pwede ko hawakan.